The Intense 5 this week is a mix of everything. Let's go.
Number 5.
13 Billboard Music Awards. No Drizzy. Did anyone else win? You the man. And you broke the record. You're bad. And the performance at the Bellagio Fountain lit 10 times. Like times 10. Awesome.
Number 4.
So, Melania is not too fond of her husband's hand. I tell you, these cameras capture anything, including the 2 times Melania swatted off the Donald. And by the way, why were they dressed like the Addams family when they went to look for the Pope? I don't know. It's like nobody's telling them the appropriate things to do.
Never. Even if there's something as simple as colors.
Exactly.
They get it wrong.
Number 3.
Here's when crime doesn't pay. When you steal a car and run it under a garbage truck and die instantly.
Wow.
Number 2.
Yes, Celine Dion's powerful performance. She channeled every emotion and let it out. Good for you, girl. And that dress.
Well, I get goose pimples just
That
to
dress
talk about
too.
it. She's amazing. And finally holding the
Number 1.
spot this week, chaos in the UK. Terrorist attack at the end of an Ariana Grande concert. 22 people dead, including kids. Come on, man. This is so annoying. Peace, we say. That's it for the Intense 5 this week. Remember to check out our vlogs on Facebook and on televisionjamaica.com.
And of course, we are on Instagram at TVJ Intense. Up next, D Burns and our Intense 10 flashback. Intense soon come.